I finally got around to making my pumpkin spice creamer from scratch, from pumpkins that I bought at the grocery store. It's dairy free. I used coconut milk instead of creamer. And what I mean by coconut milk is literally just coconut cream and water. A lot of coconut milks or alternative milks at the store have a ton of other ingredients. So if you're trying to eat super clean, make sure to look for that. I did sweeten it, but I just used honey, so there's no refined sugar. And then for the spices, I used cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. I did use the dry ground spices for those in this creamer, and I honestly don't love how it made the creamer a little bit grainy because the spices don't dissolve, you know. And of course, a great alternative to your dry ground spices is your essential oils, such as cinnamon, clove, ginger. Then you won't have that grainy texture to your creamer when you use your essential oils because they're going to blend in more effectively than a powdered spice. So I used 2 pie pumpkins, or sugar pumpkins, I think they're called in some places. And I had so much puree left. This is leftover puree. And I already made this creamer, and I made pumpkin scones with puree as well, and I still have this much left to use. So if you're gonna make this, it will store in your refrigerator for about a week. So if you don't think you will use it all in a week, you can freeze it. So I actually made ice cubes in silicone trays with my pumpkin spice creamer. So you can just pop these out and add them to your hot coffee or cold coffee even, and they would just slowly dissolve. So just another option for you if you're not going to go through your creamer that quickly. I'm working on posting the reel that has all the instructions on making pumpkin spice creamer from scratch. It's the first time I've ever done it, and honestly, it was pretty easy. So hopefully it'll be helpful for you. Remember to save it so that you can come back to it. And I'm also going to put all the instructions in the caption in case it goes by too fast in the reel. So I'll get that posted in a little while.